In this video we will see how to use RFID module with Node MCU board. In this project we will see how to scan RFID card using RFID reader. We can use this in our other IoT projects which we will discuss further in video. Now let's see component required for this project. First component is Node MCU board. Second component is RFID module. This module is used to scan the RFID card, which will process the data to Node MCU. Third component is buzzer. When a card has an access, the buzzer will make a sound. Fourth component is RFID tag. We will scan this RFID card and RFID tag. Sixth component is breadboard. Seventh component is jumper cables. We will require jumper cables to make connection. Our eighth component is micro USB cable, which we will use to connect Node MCU board to our computer. Now let's start with connections. Firstly, we will connect jumper cables to RFID module. On the screen you can see which wire of RFID module to connected with Node MCU board. We have to connect SDA pin of RFID card to D2 pin of Node MCU board. Similarly, we can connect the rest of the pins. Now our Node MCU board and RFID module are connected. Now let's see the further connections. We have to connect our buzzer to Node MCU board. Connect one pin of jumper wire to positive end of buzzer and second pin to negative end of buzzer. We will connect positive end of buzzer to D4 pin of Node MCU board and negative end of buzzer to GND pin of Node MCU board. Now we have completed all connections. After connecting all the modules, our project will look like this. Now let's start with programming. We have to upload a code to Node MCU board. Connect Node MCU board to computer and open INO file which I have provided in description. Now let's see the code. Here in the first line we have defined D2 pin of Node MCU. And in second line we have defined D1 pin of Node MCU. And in third line we have defined buzzer at D4 pin of Node MCU. We have to include SPI and MFRC522 libraries. In this for loop we have read the RFID card and decode it. Now we will see how to give access to specific RFID card. First of all, scan the card, and after scanning the card, open serial monitor from tools section and copy the number of RFID card. In this line we have to write the number of that RFID card which we have to provide access. So here I have written two RFID card numbers. If the number of the RFID card matches, then the access is granted. In the else block, you can write the code for other RFID card which doesn't have access. If you have to use this project for door locking system, then you can use solenoid lock to unlock and lock the door. When the card has access, the door will open, and if the card doesn't have access, then door will not open. In this project we have just used buzzer and not used solenoid lock. After this we have to upload the code to Node MCU. Now our Node MCU is ready to use. Now let's test it. You can see when I place the RFID card near RFID module, the buzzer will sound when RFID card have access. I have also given access to this RFID tag. In this third card, you can see buzzer is not making a sound, so this card doesn't have access. Similarly, you can use multiple RFID cards. Thanks for watching this video. Like and subscribe if you found this video useful.